Let's have you lay down. We'll go face down first. So even our employees get adjusted at Options Rehab. Alright, scoot down a little bit. No. Now this one. Okay. Or just relax all the way. So loosen up the back a little bit. Nice and easy. Take a deep breath in. All out. Loosen up. Good. Let's have you come up on your side. We'll loosen up your low back. Face me.
Oh.
No, I mean, I think it's easier because there's less games. You know, you only have to worry about 16 games, right?
Loosen up for me all the way. Good. Let's try and face this way.
Yeah, I am. Just for the schoolwork.
Good. Loosen up.
What?
Good. Face up for me. Take care of it. Loosen up all the way.
I don't know that. Why? Listen, a guy, the number one in my class, is the same. Yeah. I'm still out. You're acting like you were the top student. I was.
All right, one more.
Really?
Cross your arms. Half a sit up. Back down. And just relax. All the way. Nice. Good deal.
Oh, you mean like...
There you have it.
Oh,
Good as new.